To fix the problem where your POCO M8 Pro 5G does not update automatically, first of all, let's open the settings on our device. And the first issue is Wi-Fi. So to download the updates stable, you will need to connect yourself to the Wi-Fi. Otherwise, this option for auto updates may not work, but there's also a fix for that. So if you don't have Wi-Fi access and you still want to update your system, click on About Phone Information, then select Xiaomi HyperOS logo and go to these three dots, open settings, and then enable download using mobile data and also automatic updates if you like. And that way you'll be able to download the updates using mobile data, and you can also adjust the time, so make sure that you're in this time range to download those updates. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.